better be careful because Daddy's hungry.
Yeah.
And if you come with a side of green chili, you won't last long.
Yeah.
I'll let you try
Shane, you want your thing? Start eating it?
Oh, I'll start later.
Okay.
I just want to see this.
There you go. All yours. Congratulations.
Come here, my little taco.
You got him?
Oh, my baby girl. I've been waiting so long that I want you. No, never ever let you
should
go.
put it from here so you can see your face. Okay, we're going to get you up to the bathroom and see if you can pee.
I got her little
I'm
girl,
going to get some
Wendy.
washcloths, okay?
Okay.
Now I know why my mom always put up with everything I've ever put me through.
Yeah, we kind of like you.
Sorry.
No, you're fine. You're okay.
Oh, so many times I sit by you, little cousin Haley, and it's tore me apart.
They can't.
And nobody can take you from me now.
That one?
Yeah,
Okay.
she said, oh, Haley can't wait to meet her. Haley saw a picture of her.
Yeah. So proud to be your daddy.
She looking at you?
No,
she's out.
She has her eye drops in. But she's just smiling. Look at her. Just smiling.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, shh.
She's like, well, I wondered what you look like.